The UART debug function of the development board is connected through the serial port and then logged in using Mobaxton software. First, open the Mobaxton software, click Session, select Serial. Click the serial port selection box. Select the serial port device. Enter the baud rate 1,500,000 in the speed line and click OK. UART R1 is a compact size with powerful functionality single board computer. Rich set of interfaces make it suitable for various applications, including edge computing, artificial intelligence, advertising displays, smart homes, and more. One of the most distinctive features of the R1 SBC is its onboard NFC.